As an English learner, have you ever felt frustrated when you encounter a common idiom and have no idea what it means? Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the idiom "keep it up." Understanding this expression can go a long way in improving your communication skills. Let's start with a funny story. Imagine your friend is training for a marathon, and you want to encourage them. You say, "Keep it up." But they take it literally and start jogging in place, wondering what you mean. So, what does "keep it up" actually mean? This idiom is used to encourage someone to continue doing a good job or to maintain their efforts. It's a way of saying, "Keep going, you're doing great." Let's see the idiom in action. Imagine your coworker has been working hard on a big project. You say, "Keep it up, you're really making great progress." This shows that you recognize their efforts and want them to continue their good work. Here are some examples of how you can use "keep it up" in different contexts. Casual conversation, "You're doing an awesome job at the gym, keep it up." Formal setting, "The team has been working tirelessly on this initiative, and I encourage you all to keep it up." Negative context, "If you keep making mistakes, your boss might not be happy. Keep it up and you could be in trouble." Humorous context, "Your terrible puns are making everyone groan, but keep it up, you're a natural comedian." Literary context, the protagonist continued to fight against the odds, determined to keep it up until the very end. Business setting, "Your sales numbers have been impressive this quarter. Keep it up, and you'll be on track for a promotion." Social media usage, "Your latest blog post is getting so much engagement. Keep it up, your followers love your content." To help you remember the meaning of "keep it up," think of a person climbing a ladder or mountain. Each time they reach a new rung or step, they need to keep it up to reach the top. Now, let's dive into some fun facts about this idiom. One theory suggests that the origin of "keep it up" dates back to the 16th century, potentially used to encourage soldiers in battle. However, the exact origin remains uncertain. The idiom reflects the cultural value of perseverance and determination, as it encourages people to persist in the face of challenges. While "keep it going" and "keep at it" convey a similar meaning, they are used widely and not limited to specific regions. Over time, the usage of "keep it up" has evolved, and it is now commonly used in a wide range of contexts, from sports and work to personal goals and social media. Let's explore some related idioms and phrases. Similar idioms: "Keep up the good work, maintain the momentum, don't let up." Opposite idioms: "Give up, throw in the towel, lose steam." Related idioms: "Stick with it, persevere, persist." These expressions all share the underlying idea of continuing to make efforts and not giving up, but they may have slightly different nuances or contexts of use. Let's try this. The team has been working tirelessly to meet the deadline, and they need to keep it up to succeed. Now, let's rephrase that without using the idiom. The team has been working tirelessly to meet the deadline, and they need to continue their efforts to succeed. You can see how the meaning remains the same, but the idiom adds a more encouraging and motivating tone. Here's a real-life story that showcases the effective use of "keep it up." My friend Sarah has been training for a marathon for months. Last week, she was feeling discouraged and wanted to give up. I told her, "Keep it up, Sarah. You've come so far, and I know you can do this." My encouragement gave her the boost she needed to push through the tough training and ultimately cross the finish line. Now, let's address some common mistakes and how to avoid them. Grammatical mistake: "keep it ups" is incorrect. The idiom is always used in the singular form, "keep it up." Meaning misunderstanding. Some people think keep it up means to maintain a high level of energy or activity, when it actually means to continue doing a good job or maintaining efforts. In appropriate context, keep it up is generally used in a positive, encouraging way. Using it in a negative or sarcastic context can come across as insincere or even insulting. To avoid these mistakes, remember the singular form, focus on the idiom's meaning of encouragement, and consider the appropriate context for its use. Let's test your understanding with a few quiz questions. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom keep it up? A. Maintain a high level of energy. B. Continue doing a good job. C. Work harder. D. Slow down. 2. Which of the following is a synonymous expression to keep it up? A. Give up. B. Throw in the towel. C. Keep up the good work. D. Lose steam. 3. Which of the following is an antonymous expression to keep it up? A. Persist. B. Maintain the momentum. C. Don't let up. D. Quit. In summary, keep it up is a common English idiom that encourages someone to continue their good work or maintain their efforts. By understanding its meaning, origin, and proper usage, you can improve your communication skills and sound more natural when speaking English. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is practice, practice, practice. So keep it up, and soon you'll be using keep it up like a pro. Now it's your turn. Share a sentence in the comments using the idiom keep it up. I'd love to hear how you're applying what you've learned. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons.
Now we just gotta keep it up.
Who make a resolution, fail to keep it up.
It's my favorite super better trick, so keep it up.
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 Keep it up.